guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be installing Butta Lace Unit 5 in the color 1. This is how the unit looks straight out of the package. The only thing that I did to the unit prior to filming is spray my even lace tint in the color medium brown. First thing I'm doing is cutting my lace into 3 different sections. Then I'm gonna go in with my even firm hold spray to lay my lace down. I make sure that the hairline is laid directly on top of where I sprayed my adhesive spray. And I'm using my blow dryer on the heat setting to make sure that the glue is fully dry. I'm going in and cutting the air tabs on each side of this lace just so that my wig can lay down properly. I wear a size medium in my wig caps, and this wig fit like perfectly on my head and it was pretty comfortable. However, I do feel like anyone that wears like a large in wig caps, this wig would probably fit very snug on their head. So I wouldn't say that this wig is entirely big head friendly. This wig is constructed as a middle part wig, so the only parting space you really have is that middle part. But there are a few different ways that you can still style this middle part unit, and you will see that going towards the end of the video. I'm cutting my lace in a zigzag motion because it just gives the lace a more natural look. I'm going in with my even spray to spray down any areas that were either lifting up or just not fully glued down. Okay, so this step really puts the icing on the cake when it comes to blending and making the lace look so much more natural. I'm using the Ruby Kisses Cream Foundation, and this color is level 15. I feel like it makes a big difference, and it just helps to blend your skin more with the lace. You want to be careful when it comes to how you handle the synthetic wig curls, because once you are just like rough with the curls and the curls are all over the place, it is very hard to tame those curls. That's why I was being like very careful when I was taking my clips out. in with my elastic band, and then I'll also use my blow dryer on the heat setting to help melt the lace down. I'm using the Got To Be gel to lay my edges down. I used to use foam to lay my edges down with my synthetic wigs, but I just feel like the gel helps to like tame the baby hairs as I'm doing it, and also it just lasts longer to me. This wig is a curly unit, so it definitely did tangle, and it will continue to tangle since it is synthetic. Someone did make a valid point in my comments, and they were basically saying how when it comes to a curly synthetic wig, it's not really a big deal when it tangles because it's not as noticeable as a straight wig, and that is definitely true. I didn't use the hot comb much for this unit. I really just used it for the hairline area and to lift up that front part to keep the hair out of my face. This step is very important. It's either going to make or break the unit. So when it comes to styling the wig as a middle part and really just getting that nice look, just finger comb the curls a little bit, not too much. Do not go in with a comb or a brush to brush the curls out. You're gonna mess up the curls. You really just gotta play with the curls a little bit, fluff it out. I'm taking 2 pieces in the front of the wig and just cutting it a little shorter just to frame my face a little bit more. So here are the final results of this wig. I really do like this wig a lot. It reminds me of the Dominica wig, but just a shorter version. The curl pattern on this wig is so nice, and the length of this wig is perfect. So starting off with the second style, which is going to be a side part without the actual part. So I guess people just call it like a flip over. So I tried to give the mousse a chance with the synthetic unit and try to tame the curls just a little bit, but I don't feel like it made a big difference. And I knew better than that, but I was just trying to see if it was a good day. So at this point, I'm just playing with the curls and just getting it to frame and go with my face a little bit more. So for the third style, I'm just going for a 2 ponytail look. So I'm going in with rubber bands. I did double the rubber bands just in case if one pop, but you want to be very gentle with the curls when it comes to this process. So to make the ponytails pop a little bit more, I went in with these hairpins, and these pins are linked in my Amazon storefront, and that'll be linked in my description box. But I think that the pins definitely did something for this style. So we're just gonna piggyback off from the last style and turn style 4 into 2 buns. I did only use 1 bobby pin to secure this bun, but I would recommend using more than 1 bobby pin. So I'm just cutting the rubber bands from out of this ponytail because one battle you do not want to go against is a rubber band and a synthetic wig, especially when it's curly. So I just have to cut it out. So for the last unit, I'm just doing a half up, half down. At first I wasn't too sure on how it would look because of the length of this wig, but it turned out really, really cute. So that is the end of the video. Comment down below which style you like the most, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment down below, and stay tuned for the next video.